Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11. So first, open up your device manager, go to search box at the bottom left corner, and then type on device manager. And as you can see here, so tap this one to open this app. And then right here, all you need to do is go to these network adapters. And from here, just want to use some network adapters here. So for example, this one. So all you need to do is right click and then click on this properties. And from here, as you can see, you need to go to the driver and then tap or click this update driver. And then finally click this search automatically. And as you can see, so you need to do this one by one to update all the drivers or network adapters here on your device manager. Now the second method is open your run app box right here. So tap on this start menu icon right here, right click, and then click on this run app. So open this one and you will find this box. So all you need to do is search right here services .msc and then tap on enter. Then as you can see here, it will open up the services. So just find these options here as you can see about the network. So just all you need to do is right click this one, then it will open up these options, then click on properties, and here on startup type change it to automatic. And then once you've done this one, click on apply and then click on this start button. And now the next one is to find the Windows update. So go back to the option here, scroll down, then find that Windows update. And from here, as you can see, so right click this one and then click on these properties. So go ahead to startup type, change the manual option into automatic, and then click on this apply button at the bottom right and then click on the start button. Now once you've done right here, just open the third method, which is the CMD or the command prompt. So here just click this run as administrator, and then right from here you just need to type the text prompt netch space winsock, and then just type right here space and then reset and then click on enter. And then you'll find here now the second text prompt here is netch space int space IP space reset log.txt. So just enter this one, and once you've done, just type exit to exit this app right here. So once you've done, you can now reset your computer or laptop by tapping this reset button. So that's how you basically fix your Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.